Hey guys, it's Convoy Gamer here, and yes, I've got my webcam on. Hello.
Hey guys, it's
This is Buffy and my brother Phoenix. My other brother is out playing an Xbox because he's like pro. He's 5 years old and he's pro. What is it called?
A shooting game.
It's geometry something where you like.
We're not like shooting games and flying around.
No, that's a game. That's a different game. It's like where there's a spaceship and you're flying around a box. You shoot other guys. It's old. It's old, and my brother's like 5 years old and he's a pro at it. He bet me on multiplayer. He bet me and my sister, and then me and my brother twice. He bet me. And he's 5 and I'm 14. What the hell? Okay, so we're gonna do a sort of unboxing. I already opened it. I already got the stand out. Piece of metal, flimsy. Because we're gonna pull apart my sister's broken pink stereo piece of crap.
I dropped it. I was listening to music outside. We have this like high part from the concrete. I dropped it onto the concrete, and it was broken. It's broken like just there.
It snapped here.
Yeah.
And apparently that's enough to stop it from working.
Yeah, it is. You can still play music on it, but it just like.
Buffy's got a new one and it's purple. It's pretty much the exact same one.
Yeah, but
purple.
The like radio thing, the radio signal is didn't stop.
The antenna's gone.
Yeah, the antenna's broken.
Buffy's got a new one. It's better.
Yeah, and I had.
Yeah. Long story short, it's she's got a new one.
Okay.
My dad.
Mom.
Dad.
It's actually.
Shush, Phoenix. Do not say it. My parent brought me, because I love pulling electronics apart, a soldering iron from Bunnings today. It's got the sucker on it.
Close up. It's got the sucker.
It's got a soldering sucker. Nice long tube. Sorry, and it's got the long soldering.
Sorry guys, sorry.
It's got a long solder. The way this works is you push it in.
Stop, Donna. I'm very sorry, guys. We are.
Shush. Push it in, and when you press it, the cold air plus the sucking power, it's enough to instantly cool it and suck it up at the same time. And so when you unscrew it, you gotta shake it out. Come on, why is everything I say be able to turn it into something appropriate? Watch this, I'm gonna put it in your arm.
Put it in the video.
Come here. It's not gonna hurt.
Bro, what the hell? You have to do that to me?
Come here.
Just show that we're Australian.
Oh, let me stab you. Well, not stab you. Anyway,
move on to the next tool.
it's got head over there. It's got soldering wire. It looks like a spring.
It is a spring, pretty much.
It is a spring. That's not. Oh, I broke it. It's soldering wire. Because it's soldering wire, it's really, really flexible. So it's like a spring. So now I have to like push it all. I have to squeeze. I have to put it back to normal. Okay? No, it's Buffy. You just ruined it again. We're not starting again. I'm putting this on YouTube now. Anyway, sorry about any background sound. Typical family behaviour. Getting close to tea time. Anyway, moving on. So while we're pulling Buffy's thing apart, I'm gonna need to heat up the solder and take out all the solder. Pull apart the circuit. Leave it alone.
We'll start.
We've got these to go into this.
Yeah, there's a screwdriver.
Shut up, you. Got these. Pull apart this. We won't need them as much as everything else.
So we need to know.
Okay, Phoenix. Hold on, let me just see if this will work. If that, don't do anything.
I'm not. I'm looking. Oh, I think, is that first? Yeah, I think that's screws. Like, I'm just putting the.
Let's get this all set up.
Connor.
What?
The screw's so low we can't reach it.
I'm kidding.
Look. Sorry, some problems. Look, the screw's all the way down there. This is too flat.
Is it?
Yes, look. Sorry, guys.
Hold on. Buffy, talk about this on that.
Okay. So pretty much we're gonna Phoenix over here. He'll just show his face now because Connor's gone. Phoenix right now. Phoenix is down. Yeah. Right now, Phoenix is going to like when we like get a skinnier screwdriver. He's gonna start screwing these screws out to unscrew this because Connor likes to take stuff apart. So like when he voila. Take so many batteries. Wow. I thought we had to screw that, but so this is the full this. Yeah. So this part's open. I don't know what this part is for. It's for batteries. No, I don't think you need batteries in this. But wait a second. Phoenix, stop. That's the inside there. Let's just close this. I don't think I'll first. Like it's like a normal radio, like with the normal ones here, like a DVD. No, sorry, a CD player. Like normal ones. It has a handle. I don't think it opens, and that's where the disc goes.
Okay, guys, excuse me while I just let her talk. I'm just gonna make a mess behind here.
There you go. Now we want. Got the corner.
You watching me?
No.
Good.
And then we do that. So,
making a mess.
Connor.
Making a complete mess of my
Connor, I showed him this. If that's okay with you. This.
Leave.
No, we didn't need to scroll.
Yeah, I know, like, just show them what it can do.
I always used to like play music on here and use it outside.
Yeah,
but now I've got a new one for Christmas and
you don't have to yell. My phone is really loud. It's gonna be really loud.
Christmas and for my grandpa.
Don't be silly.
And now this one's all broken because I dropped it on the concrete as I said before. And now that I have a new one, I won't do this music outside again. See, like I'm talking.
Yeah. I warned you.
Soon we'll take the whole thing apart. We'll do on these screws. Lift this whole thing up.
We might not be pulling it apart today.
Connor just showed you this part.
We might not be pulling it apart today because we have to go to the shed to get the tools. If we can't find any in here.
But we might be able to go to the shed today.
You really want to go to the shed in the dark? You can go by yourself then.
I don't know.
I found something I want to show you guys.
Okay, 1 second. What?
It's a FU's fork.
He doesn't mean it, he just found it, okay? He doesn't mean it. Okay, so when as Connor showed you this side that's broken, it actually cracked down here as well. And I just noticed it again. Right.
Well, obviously nothing in there, so I can just crap that.
Right there.
Buffy, if you want to wrap that video up soon,
Okay.
go down and get the thing if you want.
We will maybe.
This will be a part 1 video.
Yeah, we'll have part 2 next time. Unless you want to go down there, Connor.
If we find the tools anytime tonight, we'll make another video tonight. If not, I will upload another video tomorrow.
Yep, and all okay, I'm just going to quickly show you another thing about this.
I'm going to see the video. It's like nobody's seen my videos. Because I went on a search to try and find my family sale 2013 videos.
That's the middle.
15 years, and I couldn't even find my own videos. So you know, the things I put in, like Climate Study 2015, Sister, and all that, it didn't work.
Yeah.
Couldn't find it.
Okay, so let's start wrapping up the video now. Connor can't. Yep. So Connor can't find anything, so we have to start wrapping up the video now.
At the moment.
And then, yes. Okay, so we're going to do part 2. We will do.
I feel like I'm getting close. I feel like I'm getting close.
Okay.
Like very close.
Just 1 second. Let's see if Connor can find it in 5 seconds.
Not in 5. It is quite close now. You put me behind time now. That's why.
Sorry about that. Don't put the big thing. No.
Where is it getting stuck?
And then with this, if you want to put it back on again, you go slide it all down.
Oh, it went close. Okay, looks like we're going for a walk.
Okay.
See you guys in the next video.
It might be tomorrow or it might be today.
See you guys.
Bye.